My name is Dakota, and I'm traveling India with my friends Kyle and Jar. We just arrived to New Delhi, and our goal is to make it to the holy city of Varanasi to meet this peculiar group of yogis known as the Aghori. We've got a long way until we get there, so until then, let's explore the streets of New Delhi. So today's basically day one. We're in New Delhi. We're staying in a hotel that I always stay at when I'm here called Wood Castle.
They gave us the suite.
What they said? They said it's a suite.
Yeah.
This is the suite. We're in the suite.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep. I don't know how to get this on. Do you have room in your bag for some Oreos? Yeah, put that wine. Oh, never mind. You got it. It's not gonna fit in my fanny pack.
Before anything, we need to receive blessings for our trip so that we can have a safe journey.
There's a cow coming down. Right on the back of the cow. Well, I'm actually stoked for this ride here. I always love riding in these. It's always a lot of fun. It seems scary, but it's not. I don't know. I'm a lot more comfortable than I thought I would be. I feel like I wouldn't be able to get around or communicate with people, but it's been pretty easy, and I've not had like one person be mean. Everyone's been great. There's no street laws. Well, there are street laws, but no one obeys them. We good?
We're good.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, so we're stopping at the Neem Karoli Baba temple because he's important to me, and it's good luck. It's good luck for us before we start our trip.
How long you stay more in India?
This sounds crazy. It feels like go-karting.
For another like 40 minutes or something. At 4. It's 3:20 right now or something like that.
Yeah.
But right now, we're just waiting to grab some food for these little sweeties right here. We're gonna feed these little cows real quick. Check this out. I had this happen to me in Rishikesh once when I was in India. These guys clean your ears out. It's kind of crazy actually. You clean the ear?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah. Me? Kyle, you want to get your ear cleaned out?
No.
Please, Kyle. Please, Kyle. Please, Kyle.
For comedy.
Kyle, please.
Does it hurt?
No. Yes.
Girlfriend?
Does
No.
No
painful?
wife.
Hurt?
No wife.
Does it hurt?
No.
Pain?
Doesn't hurt. No pain.
No pain?
No pain.
No pain? Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Yep.
No. Free?
नहीं.
Free.
No. They're gonna clean my ears. No pain, supposedly.
I'm okay.
Be easy.
पानी, water.
Gentle.
He's gonna pull a big chunk of wax out. He should get our clothes.
Yeah. Ooh.
Just wait, it gets worse. I don't.
Very dirty.
He just shook his head. Yes.
When was the last time you cleaned your ears, Kyle?
I never do it. I don't like Q-tips. They're scary. You can hear better.
Can you?
Yes. I feel like it's gonna be something good coming out of this one. Oh, sorry. Oh. Ugh.
चल आगे लगाना आगे.
Very good. And this is the milk product.
here, someone to take a photo of us because we're like from America. I don't get it. But look at this. Oh God, it's so weird. Look at all these people. Every single person right here staring at us. You all kind of look like each other. Same haircut. The Indian Kyles.
Is it a good one, Dakota?
It's a good one. All right.
Acha.
Thank you. Kyle, by the way. We're just talking about how good it'd be to have a guide about now.
India's very beautiful.
Yeah, India. America's okay. So-so.
Culture.
American culture? Indian culture.
Nice tattoo.
Thanks.
So what just happened?
We got suckered into riding on this crazy. Oh my God, we're going the wrong way in the street. Our friend, he just got us. He got us. He got us. Kyle's back here. Dude, look at this. Watch it. Hey,
Hey, all right! Electric beanie!
Oh God. So we're trying.
Damn it.
We're trying to get to the spice market. And
market and the rooftop.
Rooftop.
Very famous rooftop.
Famous.
Yeah, very famous. Old Delhi, New Delhi.
Famous Old Delhi, New Delhi rooftop.
Old Delhi?
How often do these get rear-ended?
This sucks, dude.
He's gonna walk us there.
I like that. Jain temple, Jain, Hindu.
Oh.
Careful.
Oh, look.
Buddhist temple, Buddha.
Oh, Babaji. We're in a bike thing. What are these called? Rickshaws?
I don't know what this is. This is a bike thing.
This is a bike
rickshaw.
thing.
Those are rickshaws.
Oh, those are rickshaws. Yeah, we're in a bike thing. We're in New Delhi. We're going to the spice market. And yeah. Oh wow. Oh, beautiful. This guy thinks I'm from Japan.
Ever been to America?
No, I'm born from India.
Very nice.
Yeah, that's my work is potato land, that's vegetables.
It's good.
That's my personal business.
Yeah. So right now we're in a spice market. Chandi Chowk?
Chandni Chowk, yeah.
Chandi Chowk. It's very...
This city is Lowry Gate.
What?
Lowry Gate.
Loud.
Lowry Gate.
Loudy kid.
Yeah. Under in Chandni Chowk. That's what it is.
Your senses are very stimulated. Every sense. Makes you want to sneeze. You can feel it in your eyes. I already did sneeze. How are you?
Fine.
Work here? No. Visiting? You're from India? Buying spices? Next we go.
Let's go to Jaipur.
Next to Jaipur. We're going to Jaipur next.
Yep.
Jaipur next. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Definite.
Awesome. All right.
So it's 3 a.m. right now. I don't think any of us got any sleep.
No.
We're heading to Jaipur next. I've never been there. I'm really excited. What are you excited about, Kyle?
I'm excited for the train. Hopefully
Ooh,
we
yeah,
get
the train.
this or something.
Yeah, the train ride should be pretty cool.
Yeah.
Train ride and elephants.
Although I'm a female on the ticket.
Oh yeah. Kyle's a female on his train ticket on accident.
Oh no, not this part.
Oh
God. The world's smallest elevator. Jesus.
Did we click a number? Not sound good.
Just fall like 500 feet.
I can see through the crack actually. When we're going. so much more quiet. Not one single horn. No, not one horn. Hey. Did you already order one? An Uber? Okay, fine. So we made it to Old Delhi Station, and well, gonna walk through this. First stop's in Jaipur, which I think we're about 6 hours away from there now, and that's where this train's taking us. Cool. I've never been on a train before. First time on a train. We bought the most expensive tickets you could buy, which is not really that expensive. So I'm curious to see how nice they are. I read that we'll have our own beds, which is good because we got no sleep. It's like 4 a.m. right now.
Where have you been so far, India?
Good time. We went to Himachal Pradesh.
Oh, mountain.
Yeah. Bahut acha. Shanti.
Shanti, smoking, relaxing,
Charas.
Shanti, charas, ganja, drugs, afim, cocaine.
Oh, yes.
Anything you want, please tell me possible.
Okay.
No problem. रात दिन तुझको मैं याद करता हूँ, गुनाहों से फरियाद करता हूँ. Dun, 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 dun.
So last night I rode on my first train, and we actually had our own like rooms with beds, which was really cool. There were 2 bunk beds in each room, and it was very nice. So now we're at a hotel. It's almost 1 p.m. and I feel like we've already had a long day.
We have arrived to our next stop, Jaipur in Rajasthan, India. We've got a big journey ahead of us, so make sure to click subscribe to see what happens next and to watch other travel videos. See you then. There's no place on earth like Varanasi.
Thousands of people, day after day, come here to pray, worship, and say goodbye to their loved ones, which will be burned next to the holy waters. There are bodies burning here 24 hours a day. The cremation grounds attract a very peculiar group of tribals called the Aghori.
The Aghori, they're all about transcending the ego completely in ways of hanging out in cremation grounds, rubbing themselves in the ash of dead people.
Meditating on top of a dead body.
Now we're going to the other side of the river, look some nice corpse of the body.
And even sometimes eating the corpse.
Yeah, I basically decided I just have to go and meet these guys out of my own morbid curiosity, but also out of a yearning to understand.
I've yet to meet an Aghori face to face until now.